Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Kick channel. In this video, I am putting ArtQuant Gold under the microscope. It's a fully automated system built specifically for trading gold on MetaTrader 5. So before we get started, before we get into it, let us just take note of something real quick, which is that if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with a bunch of indicators and candlestick patterns already built in, the link is down in the description below. So now let's just confirm the basics of this ArtQuant Gold EA. It is for MT5 only, and it is built exclusively for XAUUSD or your broker's equivalent gold symbol. All right, it won't trade if you attach it to anything else. Okay, and you can see that stated clearly here. So one thing worth noting straight away is that the developer says it is independent from the chart time frame, so it manages its own market data internally regardless of what chart you drop it on. Now let us scroll through the marketplace page together. We are looking at version 3.2, last updated on the 10th of July 2026, and it is currently currently has 10 activations. It is priced at $700 outright. No rental options showing here. There is also a live reference signal link. All right, a live reference signal linked on the page. Now I want to flag something important. The developer is upfront that this signal is only a transparent reference and not a recommendation to copy the same broker, leverage, or risk settings, since all of that can change your results significantly. Moving into the feature set, this is where ArtQuant Gold gets interesting. At its core, it runs a portfolio of up to 20 independent internal modules, each one capable of managing its own trading cycle. That is different from a single strategy EA. One module isn't the same as one position. It can actually manage several positions within the same cycle. You can run it with the built-in broker profiles for ECN, raw, or low spread environments, or switch to custom portfolio mode and handpick your own module combination, either by toggling switches or entering a module map manually. On the risk side, there is a genuinely deep set of controls here. Okay, base lot and balance step sizing lets your position size grow in stages as your balance increases. Then you've got maximum total EA exposure, maximum exposure per module, and a cap on orders per cycle. All right, all of them are designed to put a ceiling on how much the EA can commit at once. There is also account protection layered on top. You have the floating drawdown protection, a daily loss limit, a floating loss limit, and something called cycle guard, which tries to avoid closing a cycle early while it is still net negative, though it won't override protection systems or manual closes. Execution wise, you've got spread and slippage filters, plus optional Friday, first Friday, USD news, and holiday filters to keep it out of the market during specific conditions. It's worth remembering that the news filter only works in live trading, not in the strategy tester, and because take profit, stop loss, and trailing are all managed virtually rather than sent to the broker, this EA genuinely needs your terminal running continuously. A stable VPS is strongly recommended here, not optional. Okay, so now here is something the developer is very transparent about, and I think it is worth highlighting before we look at results. ArtQuant Gold is built on a grid-based multi-position structure. That means it can carry several open positions in one cycle, and by nature, grid systems can experience deep, prolonged floating drawdown. That is baked into how this type of system works and not a flaw specific to this EA. So let us move into the historical testing. All right, I ran this on a $10,000 starting deposit on the H1 chart, for XAUUSD over roughly 7 months from January through July 2026. The total net profit came out to $22,625.54. But, and this is the number that matters most here, the maximum balance drawdown during that same period hit over $210,000, which is more than 86% relative to peak equity. Now, let us put that in context. The profit factor came in at 1.07, meaning that the gross profit only just edged out the gross loss. You can see that here. It's a thin margin. Recovery factor was 0.1, which tells you the drawdown experienced was many times larger than the net profit produced. That's a meaningful gap worth sitting with. Now, out of 1,241 total trades, just under 74% were profitable, which lines up with what you'd expect from a grid style system. Frequent smaller wins offset by the occasional much larger drawdown period when the market moves against an open cycle. So what does this tell us? Based on the historical testing shown, ArtQuant Gold can produce a positive result over this period, but it did so while carrying drawdown that on this size of account would represent a near account wiping event. So that is not a criticism of the strategy's design. The developer flags the grid-based risk clearly on the product page. It is simply what the numbers show. Okay, so to wrap this up, from the available information, ArtQuant Gold looks like it is built for traders who already understand grid-based systems and are comfortable with the exposure that comes with them. It's not for someone looking for a low drawdown set and forget gold EA. Okay, so performance can shift meaningfully depending on your lot size, broker execution, the spread, and how you configure the exposure limits. So historical results here should not be treated as a preview of what your account will do. If this is something that you are considering, I would genuinely recommend running your own extended testing and also forward testing on a demo account first, so that you can see how the expert advisor behaves across different conditions before risking real capital. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.